Chicks out of Fort Worth, Texas. It's time to rodeo. Say hello.
Here I am.
Forms change, pass, bodies.
We're underway. It is wild horse racing coming our way out here from Robobank. Hey, pick out a favorite team. Hang on, boys, hang on. Just like the boys say, grab hold of life. No, we don't. Nice look. Right here, I see Pee Wee Button's got the paint down on the bar, and he is our team. Have dominated for 6 years right here.
Stay with them! Stay with them!
Ow! Man, I'm gonna tell you, the Button team has a no-quit attitude, but then all of these guys do. You know, it looks like something from a Walt Disney movie. All right, the Button team's aboard. I'm betting money on the paint. Come on, Rhett. I need a little help right about now. All right. Ramona, California. Oh! I'm gonna tell you what, that's a little time. Easy. Come on. How we doing at the barrier? Everything? Rodeo. Jump and kick style of the bay. Nice job by the talent of our Idaho Cowboy. This from Brawley, no matter where you're from. Come on. Come on. Brawley, you got it. Get shots there. Need a little help around on the heel. Bring it. Reach out. Scott set to go. Need a little help on the right. Scott. All right, let's try to get it done on this one. That is one of the best Cowboys in our game. Into the neck of that horse. You're set. Set. All right, you got it. I need some help. I need some help. California to change it all.
Let's go! Let's go!
I need a little help. This part of the right. They're in 22. 12 and 9, I should say. Back that off one. Bless you. Oh, if you don't allow the proper head start. Come up empty, it's no time.
And I think that's
Let's do it.
How are you?
Good.
Don't like it, Daddy? Come on, boys. And he's California Cowboy on the run. Everything looks good.
10-5-6.
Everything looks good. And with a time of 9.5, we're going to change the leaderboard again to a California man. This is Christina Richmond. California fans love top talent when they're California athletes. And you got one joining you right now. You've got two. We're going to head her all the way to Las Vegas, Nevada to the line. And a 7.
Thank you.
There's a Hall of Fame product waiting to happen.
You go first.
Now, not me. They go there and then they say, you're done. Dead song Ripple.
Yeah.
They gotta hear you. Easy, boys, easy, easy. That Brendel's in reverse. That Brendel's been eating crawfish. Any South Dakotans here today?
Yeah!
See somebody waving over there. That's right. This guy is hot. Niobrara County is.
How's our music doing up there?
It's there. Ride one. And roll. Second. And Colin McTaggart. All right. Bar talent in front of you now. One of our qualifiers, man. That is getting set. Off the pony and bull. It is